Hello and welcome. In this drawing video, we are going to be drawing this guy here, Mr Dinosaur, George's pig's favourite little toy. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we start, we're going to need a few drawing materials.
Supplies?
Yes, supplies.
Markers?
A marker or something to draw with.
Paper?
Paper to draw on.
And you can use anything you want.
Yeah, so something to colour in with. We like to use markers, but you can use colouring pencils, crayons, even paint, or whatever you like. Alrighty, so you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them aside and let's go. Okay, so Mr Dinosaur, you got your marker? Great. Alright, so to start off with, we're going to draw his mouth. Now, this is just a big...
Triangle?
Well, more, yeah, it's an open triangle, so it's a V shape like that. Yeah. So we draw that.
A line, stop, then another line, then stop.
Yep. And then inside it, we're going to draw other lots of little triangles, which are his teeth. So, his dinosaur's got sharp teeth. So we'll just do some on the inside of there like that, and then on the bottom we'll do the same as well. You can fit as many as you like. The more the better. There we go. Very good, that's a lot of teeth. Alright, so let's draw his body next. And his body is, if you look at this, it's quite long and curves around like that. So we're going to...
And the tail gets too big.
Yeah, so it's kind of, it actually looks like a bit of an S shape, doesn't it? So we start up here, this will be the top, and we'll go down. And I'll just stop there at the end.
And make a little hook.
Yep.
Make a little S and...
Yeah, good job. Yeah. And then from the, we'll start from the top of his mouth again, underneath. We draw another similar shape like that.
But we, right here, we don't put our pencils down.
Yeah. So here we'll do a little curve like this, so it's underneath his mouth. And then we're going to do the front of his belly. Down here like this. And then we continue that line up to here, and that will be his tail. Like that.
And hook.
Good job. Now on the top there we're going to draw, he's got two eyes.
Eyeballs.
Yeah, so we draw two circles like that. One here and one there, so that's his eye.
Yeah, and one there.
Yeah, and then inside that we're going to do another two circles. Just like that, and that's his pupils. There we go. Lovely. Now on the back, if I bring back our toy again, you can see on the back he's got all these spikes going along the back. So we're going to draw those.
Triangles?
Yeah.
Lots of triangles.
Yeah, so we draw them all along the back there as well. So again, it doesn't matter how many you do, it's up to you. Okay.
Mr. Dinosaur has 12 spikes.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, so I've done all my spikes, and how are you going? Good. Wonderful, very spiky. Okay, now let's draw his arms. So his arms look exactly the same like George Pig. Yeah, and Peppa Pig. It's just...
And Daddy Pig, Mommy Pig.
Yeah, a line there. And he's got like 3 fingers sticking out there. And if you want to, you can make that line a little bit thicker as well if you like.
Normally, real people have 5. Not really 3.
Yeah. And then we'll draw another one on the back there as well.
And 2 here.
Yeah, and then all we do is his legs down the bottom. And it's the same as his arms. You've got his leg here like this. And then he's got 3 toes sticking out like that.
I mean 3 finger toes?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like fingers.
Wonderful. Alrighty, so there we go. We've finished drawing Mr Dinosaur. It's nice and easy. One big swirly shape, almost looks like an S, and lots of little triangles for spiky spikes and his sharp teeth. Alright, so the next step is to colour in. So I'm going to fast forward this part and we'll see you back very soon. Alright, and we're back. So we've all coloured in. And I think Mr Dinosaur is happy with those. He's giving it the thumbs up. So we both made them green, but you can make them any colour that you want. We just made them green.
Mr Dinosaur's spikes are blue.
Yeah.
And I did it blue.
Yes, we did it blue as well. So it's very nice. I did mine a little bit green, so you can colour it any way you like. There we go. So we hope you had lots of fun, and if you enjoyed this video, please check out our other Peppa Pig videos. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!